Hello FlutterFlow developers, and welcome to API Flow YouTube channel. And today in this video we will talk about very small but sometimes very important feature about inserting formula in a Google spreadsheet. So in this video I continue to build a task management application, and in previous videos we made this dashboard with tasks, talk about drag and drop, and today we will create task features that will allow us to create a new tasks in selected project. So I have small page here, small form for task title, work type, and to pick due date. And next, what I will do, I will create an action to send my data into Google spreadsheet. As you remember from previous videos, and if not, I recommend you to check previous videos, we connected our Google spreadsheet with FlutterFlow using API Flow platform and imported our API definition into FlutterFlow. So now I have here all actions required to work with my Google spreadsheet, and I can insert a new row. So I have this action, insert new row, and I will add variables to send to my document into my Google spreadsheet. So first of all, I will create a new variable. I will call it ID. I will call it ID. It will be a string. And next, I will call title. It will be a string. And next, I will have work type. Let's check it. Work type. It will be type string, and I will use duet. It will be also type string, and we have status. It will be type string. So I have all these variables that we will send to our document, and I will place them here into A column, to B column, C, D, and E column. So I have all these columns, and I remove extra columns. I save my changes in API call. So now I go to my form and will create an action. Will create an action that will allow me. First of all, I will show snack bar that we load, that we like saving our data. Okay, this will be show little snack bar on our page, and next we will add an action where we will call our API call, and we will call our Google spreadsheet, insert new row, and we will add variables like title. I will use value from my widget state title. I will add work type. I will use widget state work type, and I will set duet. I will use selected value of my datetime picker, and I will make a datetime format, and we use format, I suppose, like this. So we have a format like this. Config. And next I will add status. I will use status plant as static status, and next I will specify sheet. In my case, this sheet will be saved in app state, selected project ID. We created this variable in previous videos, and now we are able to use it for this request. And what we do next, we set ID, and ID will use a formula, and this is where our interest come. And we have in ID column here a formula. We have equals row function -1, so it produces all these numbers and it auto enumerates a new something new. We have it here, yeah. So we have here 8 and etc and etc. So I just use formula with equal sign here, and it will automatically be sent to Google Spreadsheet and will be shown and will be computed in my Google Spreadsheet. And I will rename it to API task. And when it's succeeded, I will hide my snack bar, and what will I do? I will navigate to projects page. So this is what I do when I click create task. And when I received error message, we can add that we want to show set. Also, we want to hide, in this case, hide snack bar and add action state management, update page state. And we have filter error message here and set value, for example, task not saved. Okay, so now we have this configured, and let's check how it works. So now my application loaded, it shows tasks list, and now I can click create a new task. And for example, I will name it insert formula into Google Sheets. I will select development, work type, and for example, due date will be tomorrow. Create task, and our task is created. We redirect it to our main page. We see our task here, and if we will go there, we see that in Google Spreadsheet our row is inserted together with formula. So you can use formulas just same as usually you use them in Google Spreadsheet with API flow actions and call and send actions and send the formulas to API call as usual, as you insert them manually into Google Spreadsheet itself. Thank you. I hope this will be useful for you, for your projects, and have a nice day.